In this video, I will show you how to use Midjourney on Discord. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is join the official Midjourney server. Now, once you've gone ahead and joined the server, you'll be taken to the Discord server, which actually looks like this. Now, to go ahead and actually use Midjourney, it's really easy to do. All you need to do is come over to the server rooms on the left-hand side, and you want to click onto any of the newcomer rooms. So these could be different numbers, but it doesn't really matter. You can click onto any of these. So I'm going to go ahead and click onto newbies 29, so this one here. Now, to go ahead and actually use this, what you want to do is type the following prompt. So you want to put a / and then you want to put imagine, just like so, and you're going to see the prompt here. So you want to click onto this and then put your prompt in. So when you put your prompt in, of course, you can describe your image and you can be as in-depth as you want to or as basic as you want to. It's completely up to you. So what I've done, I've just put the prompt of a bird flying over the beach. Again, this is very basic, just to show you how this works. You can be more detailed, so you can put things like a sunny beach or describe the type of bird you want to do, and then just go ahead and press enter on your keyboard. So at the moment with Midjourney, for myself, they can actually provide a free trial. So even though this can be a free program, you do get a free trial. As you can see at the moment, Midjourney is very in extreme demand. So for myself, I'm actually going to have to go ahead and subscribe. So what I'm going to do is just quickly subscribe so I can show you how this works. So what I've done, I've just gone ahead and subscribed. So what we're going to do is just try that prompt again. So / imagine. And what I'm going to do is just put the same prompt in again, so a bird flying over the beach, and press enter. So what's going to happen, as you can see, it now says waiting to start. So it's just going to take a minute or two basically to run through and start creating my images. And you can see after a minute, so this is us here, a bird flying over the beach. So we got 4 different images here. So you can see the corresponding numbers underneath. So we got U1, U2, U3 and U4. And we got V1, V2, V3 and V4. So what I can do is generate some images if I'm not happy with this one by pressing the refresh button here. And what it's going to do is start generating some different images. Now we can also use these buttons underneath as well. So say for example I liked the first one here, then what I'm going to do is click onto V1. And now what we're going to do is give it a minute, and it's actually going to generate 4 new images based upon that first original image. So here we are, as you can see. So our original image was this one, and what I've done, I've selected it to create 4 additional images based upon that original image. And then of course what you can do is just go ahead, save these pictures to your PC and go ahead and use them for whatever you wish. So that is a quick overview on how to use Midjourney Discord. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.